The best content creator kits give budding streamers, YouTubers, and aspiring online influencers everything they need to create and share professional looking content. These kits usually include a camera, tripod, lighting, and microphone, though the exact content kit can vary. Video, I will be showing you 5 amazing gadgets that content creators must have. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which gadget are you excited for, or which gadget you want to include in your content creator kit. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and subscribe our channel. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, best all-round content creator kit. If you want to quickly start making great looking videos for streaming, broadcasting, and social media, then the Canon PowerShot GX7 Mark III compact camera vlogging kit is a great choice. The PowerShot G7X Mark III is an excellent camera capable of 20.1 megapixel images and can record in 1080p at 120 frames per second. The quality of your videos will far outclass rival creators that use their smartphones. This kit includes a grip and the tripod combo for easy shooting and a 64GB SD memory card. You have to rely on the built-in microphone, and there is no external lighting in this kit, so you'll probably want to invest in those separately when you want to take your content to the next level. But it's a great starting point. The compact camera is also excellent for still images as well. Buy this amazing camera for its great image quality and everything you need. Studio Creator INF033 kit, best budget content creator kit. So you can find in many of the websites like Amazon, Alibaba, or whichever e-commerce website you have in your country, you can find such kind of Studio Creator which are excellent for beginners because they come in the cheap price and includes a light and the tripod with the microphone thing. So it's the best thing to have. Insta360 Flow Creator Kit, the best creator kit for smartphone users. This Insta360 Flow Creator Kit is our pick as the best content creator kit for people who use smartphones. It comes with an excellent tripod that also works as a selfie stick and gimbal, so you can get amazing footage even when you're moving around. Buy this amazing gadget for its excellent for action shots, double as power bank. Kio webcam and Siren X mic kit, best kit for game streamers. If you want to get into streaming your gameplay on Twitch, then the Razer Kio webcam and Siren X microphone streaming kit is an excellent pick. Razer is a company with a formidable reputation in the PC gaming, and it's responsible for some of our favorite gaming and creative peripherals. This kit bundles the brilliant Razer Kio webcam, which offers 1080p footage at 30fps or 720p at 60fps, offering smooth and detailed image quality. It also comes with a built-in ring light, which helps ensure you are well lit. Buy this amazing gadget for brilliant webcam and good value for money. Sony RX100 III Creator Kit, a great content creator kit for videos. If you're a streamer or a content creator who wants to set up their video quality or get amazing video quality, or if you're a beginner that would rather invest in a medium to high-end setup straight away, then the Sony RX100 III Creator Kit is an excellent choice. Buy this amazing camera for its fantastic video quality, and the flip screen is a great thing here. So these are the 5 amazing content creator gadgets that are must have. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.